What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Black's Wish List. This is wish list number 5. If you haven't seen the first 4, you can go back and look. After this, though, you're already here, so you might as well stay here. Anyways, this is going to be a short episode. Like I said in the last episode, COVID-19 got shipments delayed and everything's coming in real slow. But I'm kind of getting impatient, so I'm going to open what I got so far. I got this big one. I know what it is. You probably saw what it is. So we're definitely going to open that first. But let me say this. Don't know what Black's Wish List is. Order a bunch of stuff and Wish. Get a bunch of stuff and Wish. Stuff takes so long to get that by the time I open it, I forget what it is. So it's a surprise to me as it's a surprise to you. Except for this one. I know what that is. I was waiting for that one. But last episode, I tried this little laser and it didn't work. Apparently in the comments, they told me I needed an 18650 battery. These don't fit. This is not a double A battery. I don't really read descriptions that well. I just, I see something cool and I'm like, check out. But anyways, messing with this little thing. First of all, it has a key on it. So you know it's a serious laser, right? You have to actually use a key to turn it on. But what it's supposed to do, it's supposed to set stuff on fire, but it doesn't really work. It's supposed to be able to just laser it and just set it on fire. Now it is a very strong laser, but you see the fire thing ain't happening. But I mean, it's really cool. It does have, really strong little laser line on it. It almost looks like you're playing a video game or, like a sniper or something. Like, it's crazy. But as far as setting stuff on fire, it doesn't work. Maybe the battery's not strong enough. I don't know. But it does actually hurt your hand. If I shine it on my hand, it actually starts to burn. But it does not set anything on fire. I've been trying for about 30 minutes. Doesn't work. Anyway, that was last episode. Moving on. Let's get straight to it. I know what these are. You know what these are. These are my Yeezys. I'm gonna be honest, they actually don't look that bad. They actually look pretty good. They smell weird. Now they have a real strong rubbery smell. I'm actually shocked at the quality of these Yeezys. Let's see, now I never had a pair of Yeezys before. I think one of the kids have a pair of Yeezys. Let me find them. All right, these are real, legit Yeezys. And these are pretty close. I mean, if you like really, really know them, then I'm sure you can pick out all the small stuff. But I mean, me as not knowing, I would see somebody wearing these and probably think they're real Yeezys. Don't eat me up in the comments. Like I said, I don't wear these, so I'm not a Yeezy head, but I don't see a lot of differences. I thought the back was kind of weird, but look at the back of those are kind of weird too, but no, that's pretty close. Let's put them on, I guess. Hey, like I said, I don't wear Yeezys. Are Yeezys really hard to put on? Because I cannot get these on my foot. Ooh, okay, they're on. And they're extremely tight. Wow. I mean, that kind of looks like a Yeezy. I think that's a Yeezy. Huh. Well, what do y'all think, guys? Would you buy these on the low and not tell nobody? You know what I'm saying? If you saw someone wearing these, would you be able to tell? Not bad, Wish. Not bad. On to the next one. Again, like always, I put the price, boom, right here. And you can judge me however you want to. Start with another one. A lighter. Why don't I just buy a lighter? Ow! It's a practical joke lighter. So when you push it, it shocks you. That actually shocks really well. Ow! I'm like getting addicted to the pain. Alright. You guys can't touch it, but just trust me. Wow, that looks so fake now that I'm like really looking at it. That looks stupid. But I think if someone said, yo, bro, you got a lighter? And you'd be like, yeah, bro, I got you. And they just... I'm trying to give this to somebody before I put this episode out. So that's pretty cool, I guess. It works, because that shocked me, and it fooled me at first. That's funny. Moving on. Scissors the right way. It's a bunch of stickers. A massive amount of stickers. I mean, massive. Oh my. This is like, whoa, these are like legit brands. What? Like a sticker bomb pack. I'm gonna sticker bomb my toolbox or something. That's actually pretty cool. They're like legit brands. That's crazy. Oh, hella flush. I ain't seen that in like 5 years, man. The Brembo brakes. I mean, they got so much detail in them. Uh-oh, AMG Performance. There's gotta be a BMW one in here. If there's not, I'm taking it back. HKS, Takata, John Cooper Works, Akrapovic. They got all the cool stuff. DVS. Oh, we skateboard now. Pilstein. Yo, there's so many dope brands in here. Oh. Rough. And I heard recently was pronounced roof. I'm calling it rough. I will not change what I've been calling it forever. But that's dope. Nos! White Bros? Who the hell is that? Moving on. Oh, that's the illest. Oh, I bought car stuff. I think it is what I did on my last order. I think people wanted to see more car stuff, so I started ordering car stuff. Got a Bride, Lomax, Illis, whatever you call it. Yeah, you know, you put it in your... Sorry, the name's not coming to me. You know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put this on the M3 if I can. I'm gonna try to put this on the M3 see how it looks. Quality wise, it's actually really good though. Like that feels pretty legit. I feel like a lot of stuff is made in China anyway, so I can imagine that the quality is actually real good. Like it's probably not a knockoff. Like it feels legit. That's really dope, actually. All right, guys, let's try to put this tow hook on. Here I am with my 2 small Yeezys. They don't look too bad, they don't feel too bad, but they are tight around my feet. But, I mean, sizes and widths are kind of weird, so I probably just didn't get the right size shoe. But, I mean, they look like Yeezys. I don't think anybody could tell, I'm gonna be honest. But I'm not a Yeezy guy, so I mean, I don't spot it like y'all do. I know some people spot fake Jordans from a mile away. To me, they look legit, you know what I'm saying? So, but that's not why we're out here. Let's go ahead and put this tow hook thing on, see what it looks like, make my car JDM. I don't know if this is the standard screw. Hopefully it is. No, not at all. Oh yeah, that doesn't fit at all, but I'm gonna lay it in there just to see. That's way too far. This is like the type that you would have to drill a hole in the bumper. That's stupid because that does not fit a tow hook at all. Like not even close. I might have an actual tow hook. Let me see. Let me see. So yeah, this is a real tow hook. Of course, you see the different size and girth. That's the one she told you not to worry about. So I can't actually mount it to the actual tow hook. So yes, I would have to drill a hole just to put that on there. I'm not doing that. Now, if you want to put it in your car, you can, but I'm not putting it on my car, so I'm not about to permanently drill a hole in my bumper. But just imagine that. There you go. JDM, bro. So it's the last one. Hopefully it's a Ferrari. It is not. What the hell is this? These are carbon fiber canards. Okay, I really don't want these. Guess they could look cool. I got a bunch of JDM stuff. So if I match my carbon fiber canards with my illest strap and sticker bomb the hell out of my lip, I just got a full JDM pack. The starter kit. Alright guys, we are out here again for these carbon fiber stick-on canards. Now they look carbon fiber, they're actually really rubbery. So, but maybe that's a good thing because they need to flex. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on my car, just kind of push them on there. I mean, they peel right back off. I'm not gonna keep them on there, but I just wanna see what they look like. And I'm sure you wanna see too. So, let's go ahead and put them on real quick. All right, was a pack of 4. 2 for each side, of course. So these go this side. What do y'all think, like right here? Highly doubt I will keep them on there. There you go, pull that off. Kind of guesstimate, ain't gonna be perfect. Bam. And say, bam. That actually feels pretty sturdy. I feel like that would actually hold up in the wind. That's really not bad, honestly. Looks like a cat. Looks like I got whiskers. But it's carbon fiber, matches my lip. That's kind of cool. It kind of goes with it. But nah, I don't think I'm gonna keep those on there. I might keep them on for a couple days, just for fun, just to see what my friends think. But they're not permanent. They're really small, by the way, like tiny. They look funny, but you can only see them because the car's yellow. They stand out so much. I'm just taking a very rough estimate because I'm not measuring anything. I think they match up. I think they look the same on both sides. Hopefully it don't matter. There you go. How do you like my whiskers, guys? My little cat whiskers. Meow. Yo, for real, they actually go with the car. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, they actually go pretty well with the car. That's hilarious. That's hilarious, man. I'm actually gonna keep them on the car for a little while. I'm gonna see what happens. I want to see what they do in speed. I want to see if they stay on highway pulls. I want to see. I'm curious now. They really don't look that bad. I think they look cool because they're small and it's like just subtle enough to make a difference. But, that's not bad. I don't hate them. For now, they're staying. All right, let's take it back inside, man. I think it's gonna do it. Well, that's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. I thought this stuff was kind of cool. It's definitely better quality than I expected. But Wish has been surprising me the whole time I've been using it. So I'm a big fan of Wish. I'm going to keep using Wish. There will be more episodes. Till then, stay tuned. See you in the next one. Deuces. Haha, that looks so cool. I was finding so much gold in here. There's so many stickers. I did find a name sticker. And I still got all these stickers left, man. What do I do with this? What do I do with this? Oh, I know where to put it. Fuck out of here.